Happy New Year, everybody. It's January 1st, 2021, the start of the new year. And today I'm going to open my very first NBA Hoops Premium Stock Blaster, which I got at retail. I was actually lucky to walk in to a store while the vendor was there. I thought I was the only guy. Security rolls up on me and says, "Hey, you got to walk around while the vendor's restocking." I look to my left. There's about 15, 20 guys deep in the aisle just waiting for the vendor to finish. So I walked around, we waited. I think there was about, I'd say 15 to 20 of us. We waited about half an hour for him to finish. And I think they only had about 6 or 7 of NBA hoops and in blasters. And I was lucky to grab the last one. Luckily, there was no drama in the store while it was going on. So that's why I'm excited to open this. Hopefully, this is the start of a good new year as far as getting pulls. So here we go. And even though everyone says 2020 was a crazy year, and it was a lot of bad stuff, I'm grateful that I'm back in the hobby after being gone for like 25 years. But definitely back into it, and it came back into it in September just by accident by watching something on YouTube, which kind of rekindled my interest. So here we go. NBA Hoops Premium Stock Blaster Box from Target. Alright, so wish me luck, guys. It starts the new year off right. Let's get some good finds in here. I'm not going to name any names to jinx it. I got my sleeves ready to go. So here we go. Pack number 1. Alrighty. Put that aside. Here we go. Aaron Holiday. Hopefully you guys can see that. Jeff Teague. It's a rookie, I can't pronounce it. Mfiondo Gabengele. Okay, sorry. Okay, D Wade Pulsar Prisms. I think these are called. Yep. Pulsar Prisms. Alright. Here we go. Pack number 2. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Robin Lopez, one of the Lopez brothers. DeMar DeRozan. Yes, baby. Yes. 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 Where are my sleeves? Where the hell are my sleeves? They were right next to me, man. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, 1 second. 1 second. Hang on. They're right behind me. Alrighty. I'm still here. Bear with me. Bear with me for Zion. Man. Alright. Got my top loaders ready, as I said I would. Oop. Again, if you've seen my other videos, thanks for watching. And I'm just doing this for fun. Keep myself sane. I know there's a lot of great YouTube channels out there. You guys have been doing this for a long time. So let's take a close-up look at the Zion Premium Stock. You can't ask for a better way to start the new year than that, right? All right, let's keep going. Sorry about that, got too excited. And this is a court side. Can't even see this. Who is this? I need my eyes checked. Paul George. Poolside Paul George. Okay. Let's sleeve him up. I'm sure someone will want him. I was actually pulling for the Clippers last season in the bubble. Really wanted them to win. To be that LA team. But didn't happen. Alright, let's keep going. Let's keep going. pack number 3, I believe. Yep. Hey, hey, hey. There's my man, Steph. In case you don't know, I am a Warrior fan, so let me sleeve this guy real quick. This will go for my own personal collection, or what you guys refer to as PC, as I'm learning all the lingo. We didn't have all this lingo back in the day. Alright, Vince Carter. This is my second Vince Carter that I pulled. Admiral Schofield, Allen Iverson, and this is the silver shiny one, and I forget the name for these. So let me sleeve him real quick. Let me just get a bunch of sleeves out of the pack already. I liked Iverson back in the day. Guess he was a trendsetter, but I never got a lot of his cards either. So nice to have. All right, here we go. Let's keep going. Jamal Murray, Mike Conley, rookie Nickeil Alexander-Walker, and what is this? Okay, I don't know the name for this. Red Prism. Robin Lopez again. We got his base card in pack number 1. So he's a Buck, and he's playing with Giannis. Hopefully they do well in the East this year. All right, that's 4 down, 4 packs to go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right. Oh, shoot. John Henson. Nikola Vucevic. Bam. Two. The second Zion. He is getting sleeved at this moment. Bear with me. That's the second Zion in the same blaster. Man, definitely a happy start of a good new year already for me. Hopefully this translates into the rest of the year. That top loader's got some markings on it. Let's get one here. All right. And again, this makes it more personally satisfying to me because I pulled this at retail, right? It wasn't secondary market resale prices. So we got Zion base rookie premium stock and Zion tribute insert premium stock. Oh yeah, and then we had Adams from Oklahoma City Thunder, Steven Adams. I forgot he's still on the team. I haven't seen that team in a while. So this is the NBA City subset inserts. All right, Steph is still there. Again, just for my own. All right, let's keep it going. We're down to 3 packs. Here we go. Alrighty. Let's keep going. All right. Thaddeus Young, Brandon Ingram, Rajon Rondo. I'm not a Laker fan, but I think he's actually the one that helped them win the bubble championship. Jahlil Okafor. I forgot this guy still plays, man. I haven't seen him in years. But then, being out on the West Coast, we don't get much East Coast games, especially Pelicans games. So I'll put that aside. Right. Okay. All right. Down to 2 packs. Let's keep it coming. Here we go. All I need now is like a John Moran or a Luka. But I'm actually quite satisfied so far with Zion. I can't pronounce this. Rodion Kurucs. Brooklyn Nets. Damian Lillard. Dame Dollar. Fonzo McKinney. And Kristaps Porzingis. I heard he was hurt. He's a great player. Playing with Luka. Just put him up. I know there's some guys that are fans of his. Bear with me. Okay, and we're down to the last and final pack. So here we go. There we go. Another Laker. I'm a Warrior fan, so I can't get too excited when I see a Laker card. But he's actually the only Laker player I like, Kyle Kuzma. Sorry for the blurriness. Russell Westbrook, the guy I can't stand. Too much individualism. Chris Paul, another enemy of the Warriors when he was a Clipper. And last but not least, Langston Galloway. So there you have it, folks. Let us recap what we got. We got a Dwayne Wade tribute Pulsar Prism. We got Jahlil Okafor Pulsar base card. We got Steven Adams NBA City. We got Allen Iverson tribute. Paul George courtside. Robin Lopez, the red prism. For my own personal collection, Steph Curry base. Kristaps Porzingis, the green prism, I don't know what you call them. And the 2 biggest hits of the box. Zion Williamson base rookie, premium stock. Looks good to me. And Zion Williamson tribute insert. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment. Happy New Year. And I wish everyone a Happy New Year as far as the hobby goes. And you guys get some good cards and good pulls and good inserts. And let's keep it going. So thanks for watching. Again, Happy New Year. See you in the next video.